The International Waqf Conference hereby presents the following recommendations to the national and regional governments, the Indonesian Waqf Board, and all relevant stakeholders. First, encouraging the enhancement of Waqf literacy and education comprehensively across all levels of society and government. Second, encouraging the harmonization of Sharia principles, positive law, and customary law in matters related to Waqf and its management. Third, encouraging the development and innovation of Waqf concept in alignment with global Waqf practices, including cash Waqf, benefit-based Waqf, professional Waqf, and other emerging forms. Fourth, encouraging the professional management of Waqf by Nadir as well as by qualified Waqf management professional entrusted by the Nadir. Fifth, encouraging the formulation of regulations and public policies that strengthen the Waqf ecosystem, including tax incentives, the optimization of cash Waqf as a driver of sustainable development, and mechanism for substitution of Waqf assets. Six, proposing to the President of the Republic of Indonesia the establishment of National Waqf Day. Seven, encouraging the designation of West Sumatra as the epicenter of national Waqf revival movement through the integration of Waqf potential into regional development and economic planning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.